There's been increasing concern about two different things. One is that the honeybees, so the bees that we're providing in a box, are finding it harder and harder to live in our agricultural landscapes. And when I say that, I'm talking about the whole world. This is not just a problem for Australia, this is a problem that the whole world is thinking about. So when you see stuff on the news about, oh, bees are in decline, often what they really mean is that one particular kind of bee, the honeybee, is in decline. And that's not a bee that's native to Australia, that's a bee that evolved in Europe and North Africa. But that's still a real issue because it's important to be able to provide the bees in a box when you need them as a farmer. But the other thing is we've got, well, in Australia we probably have 3,000 to 6,000 species of bee. We don't even know how many because there aren't enough people that study bees to answer that question. So we've got all of these wild species. Globally there's probably 20,000 or more species of bee. And then there's other insects that are contributing to pollination. And they're not necessarily declining for the same reasons that honeybees are declining, but they are threatened by loss of habitats and the presence of insecticides on farms, just in the same way that much of nature is. So when you read about bee decline, that's often really what it's talking about, is the risk that we're losing honeybees and we might be losing wild bees, and that can be causing problems for the production of food. But there's a lot more nuance to that story. I want to tell you that it's not quite the crisis that's painted in the media sometimes, but there are some real issues, really important issues that we as researchers are trying to help to understand better and provide better ways both of producing food but also creating an environment that's better for humans to live in.